The Hyundai Creta's infotainment system can be updated in two primary ways: over-the-air or OTA and via USB. OTA updates are wireless, delivered via the car's internet connection using Wi-Fi or cellular data through BlueLink. These updates are seamless, updating the system's firmware, apps, and security features. Recent models from 2023 onwards will notify you when updates are available. For older models or areas with poor connectivity, USB updates are necessary. Download the update from Hyundai's website onto a USB drive and plug it into the car's USB port to install. Using BlueLink to register your VIN is crucial for OTA eligibility. Check your car's manual or the Hyundai website to determine which method is best for you. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard on 2023 Plus models. Compatibility may depend on your region and trim level. Map updates for the Creta primarily come via OTA, powered by Here Maps, providing real-time traffic and points of interest. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay allow smartphone mirroring. Wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct is standard in 2023 Plus models. Ensure your smartphone OS is compatible: Android 10 Plus for Auto, iOS 12 Plus for CarPlay. For optimal performance, keep your smartphone software up to date. If you experience lag, ensure both your phone and infotainment systems are running the latest software versions. Some regions may have localized map and feature support, like Kakao Maps in South Korea. Hyundai is working towards 100% OTA coverage to reduce reliance on USB updates.